So first proper cold start of this beast. Negative -6 degrees Celsius. And since this engine has been put in not too long time ago, it has to settle in to work properly. Lights are on. Can't see that with the phone though. But xenon lights use time to heat up their bulb, so yeah, there you can see it. See if this thing starts. Oh yeah. Works excellent. Well, as always though. You can't see shit through the windows because put it to auto. At least the idle is steady. But this won't work, so that's interesting. Okay. Oh, it hasn't been calibrated yet. That negative pressure in the intake manifold now. You can see it in the turbo boost gauge here. The flaps are moving, you can hear that. There you go. But why ain't spinning this faster? It's probably because it's cold or something, I don't know. Looks like it should, this steering wheel now. Alright. Turn off auto and let me do the job. I believe you can set these two together. Yeah. I don't know if it turns on these rear flaps. Okay, so that doesn't work. But that turns on these flaps. Well, it actually doesn't. Oh, really? Really? Oh, there you go. It goes right back to 20. Aha. Oh, there you go. It's a little weird, this climate control. Well, at least it's there. That's the important bit. Boom. Yeah, the engine is heating up. I can drive soon, but as you can see, there's no sight out any windows at the moment. So I have to let this car heat up first. One thing about this Saab 95 compared to my Toyota, the throttle response is just weird on it because it's electronic throttle. You don't get that instant power because you have to let the electronic motor do its job first. Oh yeah, the rear heater works for like a charm. That's great. And there the front heater starts doing something. This side hasn't done anything yet. Oh, on that side it has, but on this side it has not. Which is interesting. But it seems like the heat on this side of the car is worse because if you can see on the window, it heats more on that side. So I have to scrape it, remove all that ice.